ain't got time to clean all this up. I have a YouTube channel to film. So I'm doing something today that isn't very entertaining, not worth filming, but boy is it going to help me a lot. A year and a half ago we moved here, and a lot of the small bits and pieces, all my, nuts and bolts and all that stuff, got banged around in the truck and ended up getting all mixed up and just tossed in buckets and whatnot. So I got a bucket of loose nuts and bolts there that used to be organized. I got a bunch of parts here and there that got to get organized. Even this bucket over here. It's all nuts and bolts that got all jostled around and mixed up. So they're not doing me any good if I can't find them. And I've been buying stuff lately that I know I have in here, and I've already found a couple things I bought. So we got to get this done. And so I actually took one whole day and went through and reorganized my bolt bins and all my spare parts and whatnot, and got that kind of better organized. And so now at least I can find everything, which is good, because I'm getting tired of buying stuff I know I already have. All right, so what have we done since you last saw what we did? Well, I've started working on laying up my rear frame rails. That's just a preliminary test fit, just to see if my idea of bolting those brackets together is going to line them up correctly on the frame rails, and it is. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all this stuff, get this cardboard off the table so I don't destroy it, and then I'm going to build basically a mini frame table, if you will, out of some 2x3 I got laying over there. It's a thinner wall. I'll make sure it's straight, and then we'll get that all leveled and whatnot, and then I can build the frame rails on that, and I can build my center hoop for my frame on that as well. So we got that going on. I've still got a Subaru engine leaking all over the floor. If anybody needs an engine for a first-gen Subaru Brat, that one runs good, actually. I still got to get the transmission off of there and get it on its own little cart. I'm kind of waiting for the engine to come back and the adapter to come in so I can just build one single cart to hold it all. Hopefully the sound's a little better. I got this I bought a lapel mic. I'm sure you heard me tap on it just now. That was stupid. Pretty good chance this isn't going to No Name Nationals after all. I know I said I'd take it out there no matter what, but let's get realistic. It's a pile of parts at this point, and for me to drag it out there, it'll still just be a pile of parts sitting there. So I think I'm going to leave it here and make better use of my time while I'm out at the No Name Nationals, because I won't be hobbled to a vehicle I have to sit next to the whole time. So that might help. Might have a little more fun out there. Anyway, I guess that's it for this one. It was super quick, but I wanted to give you guys something, keep you in the loop, what's going on. I know I'm not getting this done nearly as fast as you might want me to, but I'm still trying to figure all this out. Thanks a bunch. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please do, because we're going to be building this truck, and at some point, it's going to get interesting. Hopefully sooner than later. But I appreciate you guys watching. I really do. And we'll see you guys in the next one. You take care of yourselves. See you then.